previous module, we explored the importance of planning your OKRs, setting ambitious and actionable goals. But there's another crucial piece to making those plans work: alignment. So what exactly is alignment? Alignment is about connecting individual and team efforts to the organization's objectives. It's like a rowing team gliding together toward a shared destination. Picture this. Every rower knows exactly when to pull in perfect sync because they understand their role and how it connects to the boat's forward movement. Now imagine if each department, each team, and each individual in your organization were in sync toward the shared goal. That's the magic of OKR alignment. It unites everyone to row together, propelling the organization forward with a shared purpose. So, how exactly does OKR alignment work? It starts at the very top, at the company level. This is where we set the big picture goals. Company-level OKRs are directly tied to our vision and mission, laying out a clear direction for where we want to go. These high-level OKRs aren't just for leadership. They inspire the entire organization and guide every department and team. Next, each department, sub-department, or team creates their OKRs inspired by these overarching goals. This is the department level of alignment, where each group translates the company's direction into specific, actionable objectives. Think of it as the first big step toward aligning the entire organization. Departmental OKRs help ensure that each group is not only pulling its weight, but doing so in a way that supports the company's strategy. Finally, we reach the individual level. This is where each person's OKRs are created, allowing everyone to contribute directly to the broader organizational goals. In larger organizations, this level of alignment is key. It connects individual contributions back up to the top-level goals. Now, everyone in the organization, from the newest hire to the CEO, has a clear purpose and understands how their role makes an impact. Let's get back to our rowing team to tie it all back together. The coach, representing company leadership, sets the direction. Each rower represents a department or individual, following that direction and rowing together in perfect sync. For example, a company loses speed and direction even if one person falls out of sync. But when everyone rows together, following the same rhythm, the boat moves swiftly toward its destination. That's exactly how OKRs work. When every level of the organization, company, department, and individual is aligned and focused on shared goals, the organization moves forward seamlessly. OKR alignment connects each person's work to the company's vision, driving everyone in the same direction and making success achievable. In an OKR framework, there are two essential types of alignment: top-down alignment and bottom-up alignment. Both play a unique role in helping teams and individuals stay connected to the organization's vision. In top-down alignment, leadership sets goals that cascade down through the organization. This approach ensures that everyone works towards the larger strategic goals, creating a clear direction guiding departments, teams, and individuals. Think of it as the North Star everyone is working towards, keeping efforts focused and coherent across the organization. Bottom-up alignment. Bottom-up alignment occurs when individuals or teams create objectives that contribute to higher-level goals. This type of alignment encourages teams to bring new ideas to the table and empowers employees to take ownership of their work. When team-driven goals connect back up to organizational objectives, it reinforces alignment and fosters a culture of innovation and engagement. By integrating both top-down and bottom-up alignment, an organization can achieve a dynamic balance where strategic goals are pursued with a unified purpose, while also benefiting from the creativity and initiative of every team member. In this example, Adam assigns the key result to Susan as an objective, and Susan has to figure out the key results in a discussion with Adam and other stakeholders. Adam's objective is to improve web presence, which has two key results: increase organic visitors from 5,000 to 15,000. Maintain active engagement on 4 social media platforms by Q1. Now, the second key result will be assigned as Susan's objective. Now, Susan will determine her team's specific key results to achieve this objective, such as drive social media visits from 0 to 10,000, boost influencer-driven visits from 0 to 5,000, increase paid ad traffic from 0 to 35,000. Now let's look at an example for bottom-up alignment. Jerry, a digital marketing manager, sees an opportunity to drive more traffic to the company's website and sets an individual-level objective: increase total paid traffic Jerry realizes his objective could contribute to a broader organizational goal. After discussing this with Adam, the CEO, they decided to align Jerry's objective with the company-level objective: improve web presence. Alignment process. Jerry adds his objective: increase total paid traffic from 15,000 to 30,000. As a key result under Adam's objective, improve web presence. This bottom-up alignment allows Jerry to contribute directly to the company's larger goals while fostering innovation and ownership within his team. This approach not only empowers Jerry's team to innovate and drive specific goals, but also ensures that their efforts are connected to the company's broader strategic objectives, making each action impactful. By integrating both top-down and bottom-up alignment, an organization can achieve a dynamic balance where strategic goals are pursued with a unified purpose, while also benefiting from the creativity and initiative of every team member. With OKRs, alignment isn't just a concept. It's a structured approach that turns vision into action and brings everyone along for the journey. Alignment creates a seamless link from company to team, ensuring everyone moves in sync toward shared goals.